Welcome to IFSEC and welcome Patrick. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you. Yeah,
Lovely to see you. Tell us a little bit about Texecom and what you guys do in the industry.
Okay, so Texecom are a UK manufacturer. We're in Manchester. We have two factories. We employ nearly 400 people across two sites, and we're one of the industry leaders in what we do in the intruder sector of the security industry.
Tell me about the digital revolution, because we all feel like we're going digital and everybody's got smart homes now. Everyone is slowly kind of creeping into that world. How have you taken that and moved it forward?
We're one of the innovators in the industry when it comes to it, and our strapline is actually a digital revolution, and we're trying to, on many aspects of the security industry, give the uplift, particularly in the intruder market. So one of the things is a couple of years ago we launched an app which is called Texecom Connect. Texecom Connect, when we looked at it, we did some market research and we found that people weren't using their intruder alarm systems as much as what they could do domestically. So we asked questions within that, and what we found was that people were not understanding the technology and the terminology within the industry, so we simplified that, and B, we wanted to add to it, because if you think about it, it's a grudge purchase, it does a function. So what we've done is we've incorporated some basic home automation into that, and we're going to continue to develop it. So when you're on our app, if you looked at it, all our wireless devices tell temperature. So our intention is that as we go forward, we're going to use that in conjunction with other apps, and you're going to be able to tell temperature as well as when an intruder's in your product. So the system then becomes useful 24/7.
Let me ask you though, do you feel like a lot of technology, we all buy into it, we all think, oh, we should have alarms everywhere and we do this, and then we kind of go, well, we don't really know how they work, or we don't really look into those details enough. We're men, we don't read the manual. Is that the problem? Does everything need simplifying a little bit for us? We think we're clever, but maybe not as clever as we hope we are.
Well, there's two levels to that question. One is from an end user point of view, the homeowners, the people that are using the alarm system day to day, and certainly, yes, the terminology and the instructions and everything else need to be simpler. So we've done that. I mean, the Texecom panel range and Premier Elite is a very simple panel range to use. It just simply asks you questions constantly, so you can't get too lost in that. But on another level, we talk about the industry and the engineers and the skills of engineers. And this again comes into our digital platform and our digital revolution. So recently we launched an app specifically for engineers of the industry called Texican Pro, where all of our manuals, we took them out of, all the paperwork's gone out of all of our products, and they're all online in the app. So that is there, it's constant, it's live. Should there be any updates to the products, it gets done in the manuals immediately. There's how-to videos, YouTube videos. There's a real educational point to that for our industry engineers on top of that. And then on top of that, we've also launched Texecom Academy. Now, Texecom Academy is an online training solution for industry engineers. So people can do a BTEC. We've done that in conjunction with an industry recognised body called Texecom. So people can now, using that site, go and do about a 34-hour course with Texecom and end up with a BTEC in intruder alarms as well.
That's amazing, because I get the feeling, we talked about this just before we went live. People don't go to their teachers and go, do you know what, I want to work in the security industry. People have to find their way in this industry, but you've changed that.
Yeah, we're trying to make it more attractive. We're certainly part of a number of manufacturers that are saying, look, there is a skill shortage in this industry. There's something where what we need to do is drive it. Nobody at school talks a lot about going into the security industry. Wakes up and says, yeah, I want to be a security industry engineer. So we're trying to make it more attractive. And again, coming back to the digital revolution, coming back to the way that things are interacting now, IoT, home automation, it's becoming an exciting industry to be in, and we're at the very forefront of trying to drive all those things.
Absolute pleasure, sir. Thank you so much.